how to run a full scan using Windows Defender. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you run a full scan using Windows Defender. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to go this section search just at the bottom of your screen. So simply you have to click on the search bar. Alright, so from here you'll have to search for Windows Security, and after you find it you'll have to just open that. Okay, so after you come on the Windows Security section, you'll be able to see such interface. So from here, you'll have to just click on the option Virus and Threat Protection. So simply click on it. Alright, so from this interface, you'll have to go the option Quick Scan. So after you click on the Quick Scan option, you'll be able to do a quick scan using your Windows Security or Defender. So from there, it will take like 1 to 2 minutes, and after that, it will show you the result after a full scan on your Windows. So in this way, you can run a full scan using your Windows Defender or Security. So this is the easiest and simplest method. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.